Welcome back to our channel. Today is a very special day because we try out a new burger bun recipe from Guga Foods channel. As we all know, one of the most important ingredients in a good burger is the bun. So let's get to it. When the mixing is done, we leave the dough to rest for 2 hours. Just leave it in a mixing bowl or put it on a tray and cover the dough with some olive oil and seal the bowl with plastic wrap. You can find the full recipe and Guga Foods channel in the description below. While the dough rests, we start cutting the vegetables. We slice some tomatoes, white onions that we will caramelize, and a few slices of red onions. When the 2 hours are done, we cut the dough in 6 equal parts and we shape them in a ball shape. After that, we put them on a tray, cover the tray with plastic wrap and leave them to rest for an additional hour. When the buns are ready, we coat them with eggs and sesame seeds. Now that the big part is done, we bake them at 425 Fahrenheit or 200 Celsius until they get golden brown. This is roughly from 16 to 20 minutes. We have to say that the consistency is unbelievable, and this is the best burger bun recipe that we tried so far, and believe us, we tried a few. We cook this Angus burger meat medium rare, as always. We add a few slices of cheese, but if you want you can miss this step. It's up to you. We want our burgers to keep their texture, so we toast them with a bit of butter. Let me say that there is no good burger without bacon, so we cook that too. And because we can, we add a runny egg on top. The caramelized onions are straightforward. We slowly cook them with some olive oil. We add a pinch of salt and some sugar because we like it sweeter. You can make it without sugar, doesn't matter, because the onions will release their sugar anyway. Now comes the fun part. This is what we got. subscribe, like or leave a comment below. See you next time.